I'm Jacob, and this is a short, non-sleep deep rest yoga nidra to give the body and mind the radiant rest it is craving. With each breath, you can feel the tension and control dissipating from your body, just as your breath floats away in the air on a cold winter's day. All the little micro muscles of your body loosening, releasing, relaxing, melting you into the earth, into a little safe and warm cocoon, perfect for deep, rejuvenating rest. Allowing yourself to make any final adjustments to get even 1% more comfortable. You might choose to set an intention for your practice or for your day. Come up with your own, or if it resonates with you, repeat the following 3 times. My body and mind are resting peacefully. My body and mind are resting peacefully. My body and mind are resting peacefully. With the guidance of my voice, allow your attention to flow through your body effortlessly. Any resistance or tension you may have felt before no longer an obstacle. Your attention, your focus, bringing more deep rest as you draw your attention onto different parts of your body. Your attention bringing more deep rest to each part of your body that it focuses on. Beginning with your mind's eye, the space between your eyebrows, base of the throat, right shoulder, right elbow, wrist, thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder, base of the throat, left shoulder, left elbow, wrist, thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder, base of the throat, heart center, right side of the chest, left side of the chest, base of the throat, mind's eye, body and mind disengaged. Allowing yourself to rest in pure awareness for just a moment. Each moment spent here having profound healing effects on your entire being. Remembering now your phrase, my body and mind rest peacefully. And from this tranquil, peaceful place, your perfect little cocoon begins to unfold. And you begin to emerge as an awakened being, having grace with yourself, continue to lay there in loving awareness if that's what you are called to do. Or maybe slowly begin to bring more energy to the body by moving your fingers and toes. Thank you for participating in my Yoga Nidra. Feel into what your body is asking for, whether it's time to get up or continue to lay resting your body. Like and comment on this video if you enjoyed your practice, and subscribe to my channel to practice with me again as I release frequent new nidras. I invite you to also explore my website, jacobmark.com, to discover other ways we can continue to work together. Wishing you a peaceful day, and I hope to see you again soon.